Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2024 Kawasaki Mule Pro FXR 1000. Has the electric power steering, front brush guard. I'm gonna say looks like 70% tread on the front tires. They're power grip, 6-ply tire, 3-person bench seat, tilt assist dump box, has the rear bumper. The rear tires are probably closer to like 60% tread. Comes with hard half doors, has the hard sport roof, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive with a differential lock. 1,691 miles on this machine, 165 engine hours. I'm gonna take another video of this, get in, started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, call us at 406-232-3300.